10 Best Healthy and Refreshing Homemade Pregnancy Drinks. Number 1. Milk-based drinks. For proper growth and development of the fetus, you take a liquid diet that is rich in calcium, protein, and vitamin B12. You can try different kinds of flavored milk if you feel nauseated while consuming plain milk. You can add cardamom powder to keep your system cool and light. You can also drink buttermilk, chilled skimmed milk, and soy milk. If you can't drink milk-based drinks, then you must try other dairy products like cheese, yogurt. Number 2. Coconut water. This natural drink restores the electrolytes and mineral salts in the body of a pregnant woman. It prevents you from heat strokes, dehydration, and constipation during pregnancy. Number 3. Lemonade, Nimbu Pani. This refreshing drink helps a lot if you are struggling with morning sickness and digestive problems. You can even add crushed ginger, mint leaves, and tangy chaat masala to make it even more tempting. It helps in detoxifying your system and prevents nausea. Number 4. Fresh fruit juices. You can go to a supermarket to choose and pick your favorite seasonal fruits. You must properly wash them and take help from maid and extract pulpy juice out of those fresh fruits. You must strictly avoid packaged juice as they are full of artificial flavors, high in sugar, low in fiber, and has no nutritional value. Number 5. Traditional homemade drinks. You will love rediscovering these traditional coolers that are made from different spices, condiments, herbs, and seasonal fruits. Shikanji, bel sherbet, lassi, falsa sherbet, thandai imli ka amlana. These healthy drinks provide various nutrients and help combat morning sickness. Number 6. Iced tea. You can satisfy your cravings with refreshing iced tea. It doesn't contain caffeine and helps you get rid of nausea and morning sickness. You can also add flavors like lime and peach to make it more appetizing. Number 7. Homemade vegetables juices. If you don't feel like eating those colorful vegetables during your pregnancy, then you can easily extract juice out of them and add it to your diet. The refreshing drink will be loaded with nutrients and will make you active the whole day long. You can make juice of carrot, beetroot, tomato, ginger, cucumber, bottle gourd. Number 8. Fruit mocktails. You can't consume alcohol during pregnancy. You must avoid carbonated water and strictly prefer infused fruit juices. The refreshing drink will uplift your mood and is healthy for you and the baby. Number 9. Smoothies. Homemade smoothies are so yummy and easy to make. To make this drink, all you have to do is blend milk with your favorite seasonal fruit, like strawberry, banana, sapodilla, or mango. The smoothie is full of nutrients, fiber, and calcium. Number 10. Sugarcane juice. It provides you instant energy and cools down your digestive system. It helps in the healthy growth and development of the fetus, and keeps the functioning of the liver under control. It prevents neural birth defects in the baby and keeps your immune system strong. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, show some love with a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.